Especially difficult to find a single best answer when there are few correct answers and you have to prioritize which of them is more important and which is less important. Just to emphasize that SRA recently released new 40 questions, additional sample questions, SQE sample questions that correspond with the difficulty of the exam. We already uploaded them on the platform and you can practice them for free, absolutely, similar to the exam conditions. So having the same interface and things like that. Just take into account that they are still very different. Some of them are short and some of them are really long. So that means that you should be able to read really quickly and kind of to have the skill to resolve them quickly. And the best way to do that is actually closer to the exam, just to practice those questions.